We finally made a point to get back on this MG project, and quite frankly, this is a good example of what happens on these projects. If you don't work on them every day once you get started, they always end up like this. A day goes by, a week goes by, a month goes by, and you haven't done anything. Pretty soon, 6 months later, it's just sitting over there in the corner and nothing's getting done. So we got sidetracked on a lot of other things, and we still got a lot of other things going on, but we need to get back on this project and get it finished. And one of the things that we were waiting to do because of the weather and whatnot was this fuel tank. It had some damage. Somebody backed into something, or somebody ran into it, and it had some dents in the back, and we had to weld up a couple of spots, but it has a place where it needed some body work. And have I mentioned how much I hate body work? But we finally got some clear weather. It's hot now, muggy. I don't know whether that's better or worse, but got to get back on this thing and get this fuel tank finished up, get it primed, get it painted, and get it in the car, because it's kind of holding up everything else I want to do. I've got to put the fender piping on and put the wings or fenders on, whatever you want to call them, and I really can't do that in the back until the fuel tank's in place. So it's just one of those things that's holding up the works. I've had a couple of other little jobs that we picked away at, but we really need to clean the car off, clean all the stuff out that's piled in it, and take stock of where we are. We've really forgotten our path, and get back on this thing, have a list of things to do and a process, and get back on it so we can get it on the ground and get it moving under its own power. So that's the goal for today, at least, and let's hope we can stay with it. So we got our fuel tank sitting in place. We got all the rubber strips behind it fastened on, and well, the paint's not too spiffy. Certainly the wrong shade of dark green. So we're going to have to scuff that down and respray it. But it is in place, so we can work from there. We'll strap it down temporarily, and then we can go ahead and fit our wings, because over here, there's a bushing goes in there where the wing bolts to the side of the fuel tank, so we can get that all fitted. And even with the wings on, we should be able to take the fuel tank back out again. But that's at least some progress. We'll see if we can make just a little more progress here, get things moving again.